Can debt make you rich? That's a weird question to ask, right? Maybe not as weird as you think. Most people take out loans to become pilots or get a degree. So, could debt help you get ahead financially? It's a common question many people ask themselves, but the answer isn't always straightforward. So, if you're ready to learn how to leverage debt to achieve your financial goals, keep watching. Debt is a common financial strategy used by individuals and businesses alike to achieve their goals and grow their wealth. However, debt is a double edged sword that can both be a blessing and a curse. While it can help you achieve your financial goals, it can also lead to financial ruin if not managed properly. Therefore, it's important to understand the pros and the cons of debt and the types of debt that can help you build your wealth, as well as the strategies for using debt to achieve financial success. Debt can be a powerful tool that allows you to borrow money to purchase assets or make investments that you may not have been able to afford otherwise. For example, taking out a mortgage to buy a home allows you to build equity and potentially increase your net worth over time. Similarly, taking out a business loan can help you start or expand your business, which can then lead to increased profits and wealth. It doesn't just stop there. Debt can also help you build credit, which can then make it easier to borrow more money in the future. By making your debt payments on time, you can establish a good credit history and increase your credit score, which can then make it easier for you to qualify for loans with lower interest rates. Spend other people's money, not your own, especially when it comes to business. However, debt can also be a source of financial stress and hardship. High levels of debt can lead to high interest payments, which can then eat into your income and make it difficult to achieve financial stability. If you're unable to make your debt payments, you risk damaging your credit score, which can make it difficult to borrow money in the future. Also, high levels of debt can limit your financial flexibility, making it difficult to save money, invest, or achieve other financial goals that you might have personally. While debt can be a risky financial strategy, there are certain types of debt that can help you build wealth over time. These can be things like mortgage debt. See, investing in a home can be a decisive financial decision in your overall financial health because it allows you to build equity and potentially increase your net worth over time. However, it is important to ensure that your mortgage payments are affordable and that you can comfortably afford to make them each month. Student loan debt is another. Investing in education can be a smart financial move. I shouldn't have to say this, but no matter what some YouTube gurus tell you, it can increase your earning potential over time. However, it's important to ensure that you are borrowing only what you need and that you are able to comfortably make your loan payments each month, just like with a mortgage. You can't leave out business debt when speaking about debt that can increase your income. If you are an entrepreneur taking on debt to start or grow your business, this is for you specifically. See, this can be a great financial decision long term. However, it is important to ensure that you have a solid business plan and that you are able to comfortably make your loan payments each month. I'm going to keep saying that and hitting that nail on the head. Investment debt is another. Borrowing money to invest in stocks, real estate, or other assets can also be seen as a good move financially because it allows you to leverage your investments and potentially increase your returns. However, it's important to ensure that you are comfortably taking on the risks associated with investing and that you have a solid investment strategy in place. Don't just go on Robinhood or Webull and start trading your life savings wildly. If you're considering using debt to achieve financial success, it's important to have a solid strategy in place. So, how do you use this debt to help you achieve just that? Well, you can use this debt wisely by creating a budget. At this point, I'm basically the king of telling everyone that they need a budget. Before taking on debt, it's important to create a budget and ensure that you can comfortably afford your debt payments each month. Remember, hitting that nail on the head. Be sure to include your debt payments as a fixed expense in your budget. Choosing your debt carefully. Not all debt is created equal. Be sure to choose the type of debt that is best suited for your goals and needs. Keep your debt levels manageable. High levels of debt can be stressful and limit your financial flexibility. Be sure to only borrow what you need and ensure that your debt levels are manageable at all times. Pay down high interest debt first. If you have multiple debts, prioritize paying down the debt with the highest interest rate first. This will save you money in the long run and help you pay off your debt more quickly. Avoid using debt for unnecessary expenses. While debt can be a powerful tool for achieving your financial goals, it should not be used for unnecessary expenses. Be sure to only borrow money for expenses that are essential and will help you achieve your financial goals. Have a plan for paying off your debt. It is important to have a plan for paying off your debt. This may involve making extra payments each month or consolidating your debt to reduce your interest rates. Don't dig yourself into a hole that you can't come out of. Take advantage of low interest rates. If you have a good credit score, you may be able to qualify for low interest rate loans or credit cards. A good credit score can get you relatively anything you want as long as you have some sort of income to back up the loan showing that you can pay it back. Taking advantage of these low rates can help you save money on interest and pay off your debt more quickly. Most importantly, seek professional advice. If you are unsure about how to use debt to achieve your financial goals, at this point, it's probably best to go out and seek the advice of a financial professional. A financial advisor or credit counselor can help you develop a debt management plan that is tailored to your needs and goals. Look, debt could be a powerful tool for achieving financial success, but only if used wisely. By choosing the right type of debt, keeping your debt levels manageable, and having a plan for paying off your debt, you can use debt to your advantage and achieve your financial goals over time. What is super important though? Well, to be mindful of the risks associated with debt and to ensure that your debt payments are affordable and within your budget. Debt can be crazy and is easy to spiral out of control. By following these strategies, you can use debt to build wealth and achieve financial success. As always, if you like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. It's free for you, but can help me out in putting more content out. Thank you and see you in the next video.